Hello vlog family. I am exporting my, what is this called? My Hunchback of Notre Dame video, the second part. So now part 2 is up, which is very exciting. I had a lot of fun filming both of these, and I can turn my attention now to the 1939 remake to start filming that bit, which I'm not gonna do just yet because Dan and I are on our way to Indiana today. We are going to Indiana to talk to some of the Aldi stores that are there to try to get a transfer going for Dan pretty soon, because I don't know if I've actually mentioned it on the vlog at all or not, but we have been trying for multiple months to move to Indiana, and we're waiting on a transfer through Aldi, where Dan works, so we can actually start looking at houses. So it's a whole process, and Aldi is dragging their feet. I'm hoping it's just coronavirus related and it's like they're struggling to keep up with stuff, or they have to go through extra precautions or something, and it's not just them actually just being lazy beyond all get up. We are going into Indiana to talk to some of the stores that we are wanting to potentially transfer to see if we can get the transfer going from their end up so it can like meet halfway or something. But we're gonna do that. We're gonna be there overnight and we'll come back tomorrow. So that'll be a nice little mini getaway. My table is an absolute disaster. Do you see that absolute chaotic mess? Yeah, I've been working on this Hunchback video, so I've not had time to clean this, but then I can't really clean this that much because I'm working on masks and a quilt, and I'm constantly looking up new projects for my Cricut, and there's a lot happening, so I just don't have space. I honestly just need an entire room. That room is nothing but craft room stuff, so I can have a quilt section, a Cricut section, a other section, and another section. That would be ideal. Is it gonna happen? Probably not. All right, we are on the open road. Yay! I was all excited because the last clip you just saw is I was working on uploading the video, getting it all ready to go, and while it was in the middle of uploading, I realized I forgot to add a voiceover clip toward the beginning of it, so I had to cancel the upload and re-put the video into iMovie, record that voiceover quick, and put that in and get all that going. So I got that fixed. I put it back in to YouTube and it was uploading. All was well. I got everything scheduled. I got all my posts scheduled. Everything was great. And then Dan comes home and we're putting everything together to leave. And I'm telling him about how I almost missed that and that would have been awful. And I'm so glad that I caught it. And as I am speaking to him, it occurs to me I did not add any background music at all to this video. So I thought I was gonna hold it together. So I thought I was gonna be able to leave my computer at home and not even worry about it and it would all just be done, but I have my computer with me because I'm gonna have to delete the video, delete all of those scheduled posts, re-import it into iMovie and add the music, and then re-upload everything, which is frustrating, but again, I'm glad I at least caught it, because if it went live, at that point, I don't think I would have exported it or deleted it and re-uploaded it after that point. So that's a little frustrating, but it's okay. But now we are on our way to Indiana. I'm gonna have a fun time. We made it to Indiana. We are here, uneventful trip, cool. We're currently walking on a little like walking running path, and just to kind of stretch our legs because we've been in a car for 4 hours. But we're walking, we turn this corner, I see this sign that says please clean up after your dog. I see the Great Dane and these dogs around it, and I think that's the Great Dane's poop. It's a little Maltese dog. demonstrating what you have to clean up. Nope, it's just a small dog.
I don't know what kind of this one's really pretty.
Yeah, it is. Hi, little friend. I was gonna show off this wildlife right there.
All those painted buffalo statues we saw in Cherokee?
Yeah, yeah. That's a very interesting paint job. But look at how cool this path is.
Yep. Really
You're just walking over everything. They didn't actually destroy it. They just built over top of it. Very cool. That's really nifty.
Man. Gotta keep working. That's right.